Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you an awesome tip if you are struggling to get push-ups or increase your reps or even get your first push-up, okay? So what I want you to work on is going into a good position. So a lot of people are told to go from their knees. You'll generally see they'll put their knees here and then they'll go like this with their head like that there. And that's really not going to get you anywhere, so you really want to drill that out of yourself as much as possible, okay? So first thing that you want to try is just completely lie down. So I want you to put your hands, imagine if you were going to push somebody away, you wouldn't go like this, okay? It doesn't make sense. You would be here, okay? You bring everything down here. If you're going to push a car or something like that, you push from here because you're stronger from there. You can use your back to push from there, okay? So what I want you to do is go into a nice position like this on the floor, okay? So you just lie all the way down completely. From there, you then lift the feet up like this, okay? Then tighten your abs as if you're trying to do a sit-up and see, can you push from there, okay? So that will be a better position for push-ups from your knees. Once you can start to build up the reps on that, to go really, really slowly, really, really controlled. If you're shaking like this, it's a good thing. You're probably activating your core in the right way. You don't want to be sagging like this too much, okay? You want to try and tighten everything and go down like this, okay? Once you can start to build up the reps on those, put the feet down, lift yourself up into this position. Still think about the abs and squeeze your bum. Elbows, see how they're going back and close to my body? There, boom. And then you can go here, back up to here. And then put your feet down, boom. So go really slow on the way down. Lie all the way down. Keep pushing into the floor a little bit, so I am resting to some extent, but I am still pushing into the floor. Lift the feet, and then push back up. Lift the feet, okay? So it seems dead boring, but it will build a lot of strength over time whenever you get the reps, and then eventually you'll be able to just do normal push-ups up and down like that, okay? So work on that drill, build up the volume, go really slowly, and progress from there, okay? So aim to do at least 50 reps. Whenever you're doing it, break it up whatever way you want. Do 5s, do 10s if you can, and build yourself up, okay? So you'd like to sort of get to a point, I think, with push-ups, so maybe being able to do 100 without really, making a big deal out of it. So being able to do like 4 sets of 25 would be awesome and stuff like that. So long-term thing, work on the beginning stuff, keep abs as tight as you can, and make sure you're going slowly. So even like I did here, film yourself from the side so you can sort of see your position, okay? Big thing you want to avoid as well would be whenever you're pushing back up from the bottom and you're here and your arms start flaring out like that. We don't want that. Keep them into your sides like that, okay? So even if you wanted to try going right beside the wall, go here. So now my elbows have to stay by my sides, okay? So that's another really good one to work with. Okay guys, so give it a go. Tag someone that needs help with push-ups. Let me know what you think.